Hi, welcome to Booking Engine Product Updates Overview. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the integration with PayPal that was recently implemented. First, you have to go to the PMS, Settings, Integrations, and choose Payments in the filter. Here you can see PayPal integration, and if you don't have it connected yet, you will be able to request it right here. When it is active, we can go to the Booking Engine and see how it works. To choose some dates, go to the rooms, add in a room to a cart, and now when we're here, we have to fill in all the mandatory fields, choose the way of payment, PayPal, click Book Now, and confirm the order. After that, we will see the possibility to enter card details and basically pay for the order using PayPal. Another update is connected with the possibility to add new meals for your rooms. In the PMS, you have to go to the room rate section, Meals, and here we can add new meals, meal types, and even set a separate price for children. For example, let's take a look at this one. It was recently added. New type, new name, and now we can go to the Booking Engine, choose some dates, and we can see here this new meal type that was recently added. The last update is connected with the possibility of creating vouchers, which are basically deals without dates that were impossible to create before. Go to the PMS, Settings, Deals, open any deal, and here we can turn off the toggle with the choice of dates of arrival. Some additional fields will appear, you can fill them out, and now we can save it. Then let's go to the Booking Engine, go to the Deals section, without choosing any dates basically, and we can see our deal without dates just right here. Now we can open and see its details, and we can actually order it.